In this video, you'll learn how to fix issues with installing Claude Code on Windows 11. By following these steps, you will ensure that the installation process goes smoothly and successfully. Begin by opening the correct version of PowerShell with administrative privileges. To do this, press the Windows key and the X key simultaneously. A menu will appear on the left side of your screen. From this menu, click on Terminal Admin. It is essential to check that Administrator is displayed at the top of the window. This step is crucial because Claude install may fail without administrative rights on many systems. Next, confirm that your PowerShell version is 7 or higher. In the PowerShell window, type the command $PS version table, PS version, and press enter. If the output shows a version number starting with 7, you are good to proceed. However, if it displays 5.1, you need to install PowerShell 7 first. This is particularly important for compatibility in the future. Once you have verified your PowerShell version, you will need to allow script execution to ensure that the installation can proceed without issues. Type the command set execution, policy remote sign dash scope current user, and hit enter. When prompted, press Y and then enter again to confirm. Skipping this step may lead to silent failures during the installation process. Now, it is time to install Claude Code. Enter the command imf https://claude.ai/mstore.ps1ois into the PowerShell window and press enter. Make sure to let the installation finish completely before proceeding. It is important not to close the window during this process, as that after the installation is complete, you will need to restart PowerShell. Begin by closing the terminal window. You can then open it again, and it is acceptable to use normal mode for this step. To test if the installation was successful, type Claude-version and press enter. If you see a version number displayed, the installation was successful. If you encounter a message stating that Claude is not recognized, you will need to run the command get command Claude-all to troubleshoot further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.